How to trade stock on Webull for complete beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know how to trade stock like you've been doing it for years. Webull offers one of the best brokerage accounts available thanks to the commission-free trading, the attractive sign-up bonus, and the features you can take advantage of to accelerate your path to success in a fraction of the time. 95% of people start without understanding the basics. This is like building a house without a foundation, and you're setting yourself up for failure. This beginner's guide is going to ensure the odds are stacked in your favor. You'll know how to confidently trade stock, how to navigate the platform, and how to start off on a foundation that will set you up for success. Jumping into the Webull app, you'll first want to make sure you've signed up. Webull's currently offering up to 75 free fractional shares of stock for signing up, opening an account, and depositing. I've left a link in the description below that will take you directly to the sign up page where you can claim those free shares. To trade stock, head to any tab with the search icon in the top right. For today's example, let's use Tesla stock, which has a ticker of TSLA. Now, let's point out a few make or break details you need to know before trading. Jumping down to the chart, you can set custom price alerts, overlay technical indicators, and customize the design to your liking. Next is the order book. This displays bid and ask information. If you leave this video understanding just one concept, it's the bid and ask. Very important. To get started trading, hit the trade button in the lower left, then you're brought to the order form. Let's walk through this step by step so you can confidently navigate it yourself. You'll find the bid and the ask near the top. These are important because they represent the prices you actually pay and receive when trading stock. You may have thought this large quoted price on the main screen is what you trade at, but that actually is not usually the case. That represents the last traded price. Starting with the bid, this is the highest price buyers are willing to pay for shares of a stock. The ask is the lowest price sellers are willing to accept. Now the market is closed and the bid and ask are constantly fluctuating when it's open, but explaining it this way makes it easier to understand as an example. The next step on the order form is to select buy or sell and then choose your order type. Webull offers three main categories: simple, group, and conditional. We're focusing on a simple market and limit order in this video. Understanding these two order types are debatably just as important as understanding the bid and ask. Starting with a market order, this is the simplest type. By placing one, you're agreeing to buy or sell shares at current prices, no matter what they are. A market ensures your order executes fast, but it gives you less control over the exact price you pay or receive. So if you submitted a market order for shares of a stock that's in free fall, the price can be drastically different than the ask and bid prices you saw when you placed the order. But that's where a limit order comes in clutch. A limit lets you set a custom execution price. Now, this order type doesn't guarantee quick execution, but it does guarantee your trade will fill at a specific price or better as long as the stock eventually reaches it. Let's walk through submitting a limit order to buy 5 shares of Tesla. First, make sure limit is selected, then we can set a custom price. If you choose something between the bid and ask, your order usually fills pretty fast. But if you decide you want to buy Tesla no higher than $230 per share, for example, you'd enter $230, submit the order, and your trade will not execute unless Tesla reaches $230 or lower. Next is quantity. You can select the number of shares you'd like to trade or enter a specific dollar amount. Now, this just flipped us over to a market order, and that's because Webull does support fractional share trading, but only with a market. So let's flip this back to limit, enter $230 for our price, and then enter 5 for the number of shares. Next is trading hours and time in force. These determine how and when your order executes. Under trading hours, you can choose to have your order execute during regular stock market hours only, or during extended hours as well. Regular hours run from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern time, and extended hours run from 4 a.m. until market open, and again at market close to 8 p.m. Time in force represents the length of time your order is eligible for execution. By selecting day, your order will expire at the end of the trading day if the stock doesn't meet your limit price. Good till canceled will keep your order open and fillable for up to 60 days. Near the bottom, you'll find your estimated order amount, transaction fee, and your available buying power. Once you've filled out the order form, hit buy, confirm the order details are correct, then confirm to submit your order for execution. Selling stock follows the same process. Just ensure the sell side is selected and choose the order type you'd like to use. For this, let's go with a market order. Then enter the number of shares you'd like to sell, then submit the order like we just did for the buy side. Now that you can confidently trade stock on Webull, what about the features that can accelerate your path to success in a fraction of the time? Well, Webull offers one of the best features a beginner can ask for, and this is known as paper trading. You get to practice trading stock, options, and futures completely risk-free by building and tracking a simulated portfolio which mirrors the live market. Like the real deal, you can place trades, test out trading strategies, learn how to use various order types, and get comfortable with the platform in general. To navigate to your paper trade portfolio, hit the menu tab in the bottom right of the main screen of the Webull app, then click More. Under the trading section, you'll see paper trade, and this will bring you right to your portfolio. The great part about paper trading on Webull is that you can customize the starting amount of money. So if you wanted to challenge yourself and grow your portfolio starting with $500, you can do that, or you could start with $1 million. Now, what about the rest of the features on Webull that can assist you in making money, building wealth, and taking you from a complete beginner to highly skilled? Check out this Webull app tutorial for complete beginners, where we break down every aspect of the Webull app so you can move forward confidently.